Right, so today we're going to be reviewing or putting in the Tentbox thermal kit for my Tentbox Lite 1.0. Right, so all you get in here, and it comes from Tentbox, is this is it. So this is exactly what it is. Just feels like it's quite a thick material. Got your hooks, so we need to work out where the front is, where the back is. And I have no clue. That looks like a front. Right, so what we're going to do is find where the front is and find where the back is, and then just these hooks here just hook onto the poles all around. There's the back. Let's start with the back. Okay, so what I've discovered is there's a part here which is for the skylight. So on the Lite 1.0 you have one skylight which is there, so you need to make sure this square section here marries up with that. When I just tried to put it up before, because there are no instructions in this kit, by the way, so you just have to work it out for yourself, but to make sure you've got it right around, make sure you've got the square bit that has the skylight zip around it, and then you can put it up inside there. Right, so we're going to continue with this and I'll see you once it's up. So that's the first section that I've put up. So there's the skylight hole, which is going to marry up to that skylight hole. Now, one thing I haven't worked out yet is there's some straps, and I have not got a clue what they're supposed to attach to, because there is nothing on the inside, nothing on the side of the Tentbox Lite that would marry up to, so I'm really not sure about that. If anybody's got any ideas, let me know if you've got one of these. also the last couple of clips are really difficult to get in. Because I've got to go on the side. Don't forget to put the clips on the side poles as well, which I've forgotten to do. Still don't know what those. Ah, I've worked out what they're for. They're nothing to do with the actual tent. It's when you want to open your door. Took some time. Now, Velcro here, presumably. I don't know where that goes to. Right, so there's, oh, maybe they go, maybe it's supposed to tuck underneath that. Aha! So, it's like a little pocket. Tuck your bed in. Pocket, and then there's Velcro action on the bottom of the tent box on the metal part, and it just hooks onto that bit. Okay, so we've got another pocket there. Tilt that over, tuck it underneath. That for some reason isn't closing. Oh, I know why it's called a thermal insulation kit, because it gets you warm when you're putting it in. So, that's pretty much done. So, one big tip, make sure you put this section where your skylight is. If you've got a 2.0, you'll probably get 2 of these skylights, because you have 2 skylights in the actual tent. If you need a bit of ventilation, you can open this bit. So yeah, goes in quite easily. You've got to remember there's clips on the side, which I didn't put in. Now the only thing left to do is I've got a condensation mat which I need to put underneath, and other than that it's all set for winter. I did see someone on YouTube recently who had one of these, and they also said that it was good to have in summer as well, because there's between the tent and the actual thermal kit there's a layer of air, so it stops the heat coming in as well as stopping the hot air getting out in the winter. So yeah, it's pretty good. Makes it a lot brighter in here as well, because normally with the black Tentbox light it's pitch black in here, so really nice. Thanks for watching. Okay, so there's my thermal kit put in. I've took the mattress out because I'm washing the cover on the mattress, but this is my anti-condensation mat which goes underneath the mattress. So these are definitely worth buying. It makes a massive difference, and I'm guessing that once you've got a thermal kit as well, it's going to keep it to a massive minimum with the condensation. So yeah, pretty pleased with my setup so far.